When testing the power consumption of the photocells, we face an important question. Should we measure it when the power is first connected, or wait for the optical controller to light up for a period of time before taking the measurement? A light controller is a device used to control the brightness of a lighting fixture, which automatically adjusts the brightness of the light according to changes in surrounding lighting conditions. Choose the appropriate testing timing based on specific requirements and testing objectives. Testing when the power is first connected can capture the peak power consumption at startup, while testing after lighting up for a period of time can better reflect the average power consumption of the optical controller in actual use. Taking into account practical requirements and testing objectives, selecting the appropriate testing timing can yield more accurate and comprehensive testing results.